How to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards. So if you want to withdraw money from Google Opinion Rewards, then here are some steps. So open the Google Opinion Rewards app on your smartphone. If you're using an Android device, you can also access your balance through your Google Play Store. In the app, you will see your current balance displayed on the main screen. It's important to note that you need a minimum balance of cash out of $2 to withdraw your money. And on the second step, you need to tap on the menu icon. Once you tap on the menu icon, which typically looks like three horizontal lines or dots depending on your device. This menu is where you'll find various options for your Google Opinion Rewards account, including your reward history and settings. And then on the third step, you need to simply select transfer app balance. Once you tap on transfer balance or cash out, you can choose your PayPal or your Google Pay credit and choose whether you want to transfer your balance to your PayPal or redeem it as Google Pay credit. So make sure that you need a PayPal account linked to your Google Opinion Rewards to transfer the money. If you choose Google Play credit, the balance will automatically update in your Google Play account. And then once you've done, simply click on confirm to transfer and follow the additional prompts to complete the process. After confirming, it may take up to 24 hours for the transfer to complete. You will receive an email confirmation once it's done. After completing the steps, your Google Opinion Rewards balance will be transferred to your chosen account. You can now use the money as you please, whether it's buying apps, games, or cashing out for real world purchases.